extremely good for anxiety and depression. St. John warts. This is the tea form. This is one of the best natural, mild alternatives to depression and also mood stabilization. Actually, it does it via of stabilization. So it stabilizes the mood and it promotes a better, calmer approach to thinking and well-being. And this is even from personal experience with many years, probably 20 years of experience or more. So yeah, St. John Warts. Vegans by Nature, the best vegan channel on YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't. Donate.